properly in weeks. Always thinks himself killing me what you go in this village. Okay, let's march that guy down for.
I don't understand. March with them.
No juice, of course now. It's not bigger or stronger than the both of us.
Carlo, is your brain penning you? Have you forgotten that Longinus has a gun? Which police station in this state that Longinus hasn't been to?
Oh God, that achievement. Eh? That one achievement. Okay, let's deal with this guy, Vam.
Okay, let's deal with this guy, Vam. See, I am not in support of that. If you want to deal with him, go ahead and deal with him. I am not ready to die.
Okay, that guy has had enough in this village. Eh? Can I call this guy Duka no? Can I call ya Duka? Can I Pakasia?
Listen, Carlo. It's high time I started avoiding you. Because I see you want to kill me before my time. Carlo, from today, can I my ass on you.
What was it now?
Can I broke on you? Makibu my ass on me.
You
hear what I said?
I shot this guy again and ask him, can I have it in here?
Ije love kaneku oh ije love akụkọ love kanako oh ije love okwu love kaneku oh ije love kani neku oh ije love. Imagine the ways of love. Imagine the steps of love. Amapanuka osebido. Where are we at? Eh? Who is that? Who is doing that? Eh? Who is that? Who is that? Where is that? Who is that idiot? Who wants to get that? Go and thank your stars. Go and thank your stars. Get that chicken. Who wants to get them more respect? Eh? How can someone be knocking at someone's window this hot afternoon? They will not allow me to rest. Eh? In my own house. This hot afternoon, I will not rest in my house again. You want to break my window for me? Or go one more glass? Eh? This hot afternoon. Oh my sekita. All in the name of play. Mana so bad ho. Can I chicken and man with target? I can make us give pepe. I know man. Mesuru ni ike. Who must give them more respect? Your parents soon as a home house. Every time I win the money, like try it next time. Can you help careful? Nonsense.
Smells nice. Hope she's going to like it. My love. You're here. Come, I sit. It doesn't matter if you kept me for too long, as long as you're here, that's what matters. My love, I went into a thick bush to get this for you. I hope you like it, yeah. How does it smell?
So
smells
sweet.
nice.
Just like you.
I love you.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. Kiss me, babe. I love you more. Let me try something that I have on my mind. Let me see if it will work. Okay.
It will stay. It will stay.
Let me see. It will stay. Let me see.
Okay, just try.
Okay. See. Stay. Oh, it's falling off again. Let me put it again. Let me put it again. Hold on. Let me see. It must stay. Yes.
How do I look?
You look good.
A Disney princess, right?
Yeah, you're beautiful, baby.
Let's go.
All right, babe. I love you.
Please.
I love you.
I love you too.
Kiss me. Let's go.
Or is she fetching the water I asked her to fetch? Chineke me. There's no water here. Eh? Hey! Where could have this place gone to? Everything here is empty. Have I not warned you to stay away from my daughter? Have I not warned you to stay away from my daughter? Mama, do I look like your mother? Don't you know your mother? Stay away from my daughter. Ugonna, stay away from my daughter. Or are you ready to marry her?
Yes. No. Yes, no, but soon.
Wakadia, Chiria. Yes, no, yes, very soon. Suwabugonu. If you're not ready to marry my daughter, stay away from her. Don't give her a bad market. Good for nothing, idiot. Last one, next time I see you around my daughter, to God, you will not like what I will do to you. You will not like what I will do to you. Stay away from her. Last warning. Anuman, they're called. Good for nothing, idiot. They're called.
Bad luck.
Bad luck, why him? Bad luck. Stay away from her. Stay away from her. Anuman. As for you, Amara.
Moa, go na bad luck.
Nonsense. I'm asking as for you. If I ever see you and that boy together again, Makachi, I'll cut off your legs. Mbuji Seguku, in a near Nabaki. Yapuku is a brick bazo. Love Bupogeba. Love Abunyabe. What do you know about love? What do you know about love? He's not ready to marry you. He even said it himself that he's not ready to marry you. I don't want to see you anywhere close to him again. No. Yes, Mama. I don't want it again.
Yes, Mama. Mama, but
hey, Amarachi, if you bottle me again, I will strangle you with my bare hands. Or several bots. Stupid girl. And a cocoa head anchor. You know the name cocoa bots. Hey! You don't know when you are developing What is it? You don't look excited to see me.
My love, you should go. Your mother can't see you here.
I brought you food.
My love. Thank you. But your mother can't find you here. She can't see you here. Please.
Can you please stop talking about my mother? Please.
How can I stop talking about your mother? How can I? She wanted me to stay away from you. She told me to stay away from you. Except I'm ready to get married to you now. And I can't get married to you right now because, you see, is this the job that I'll use and get married to you? I don't have the money.
I'm aware of that. Okay? And I'm ready to wait. You know that I'm ready to wait for you. But I don't know what my mother's problem is. I don't know what her problem is. I don't know why she can't just let us be.
She can't because she needs a rich man that is capable of taking care of you. And as you can see, I can't even, this life. Look, all these things that this work is this kind of work that I will use and take care of you. Eh? I love you. But I can't like this.
I think I know what to do.
What?
I'll run away from that house.
No, don't. Run away. If you run away, you put me in more trouble. See, if it's the will of God for you and I to get married, that will be done someday. But right now, all we can do is pray and hope unto God. My love. It's okay now. Sorry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Okay, see. Let me... My baby. See, I'm eating the food. Tastes nice. You know you're a good cook. My love. Amaram. I love you.
Call me that again.
My love.
Yes, babe.
It's okay, yeah?
Ugo one name. You don't sound happy since you got back. Ogini, what is it?
Sister, is it not Mama? Is it not Mama? That woman doesn't like me. She doesn't like me.
Why?
Sister, she has been confronting me. She has been telling me to stay away from her daughter until I'm ready to get married to her. Today's one was too hectic for me, and I can't take it.
She's that harsh, and you have never made mention of it to me. Ugonna.
Sister, you know I don't want anything to bother you. I don't want anything to bother you, and that's the reason I kept it away from you. I love that girl so much. I love Amara. And I wish I can marry her.
Biko, what is her reason?
Sister, she said I should stay away from her daughter until I'm ready to get married to her. And you can see my condition. I don't have the resources to get married to her yet.
I wish I have my sight and working so as to help you raise money in marrying that girl. I really like her for you. Both of you deserve each other. She's too kind-hearted. I don't want to lose her. I don't want to miss her. She's the woman for you.
Sister, exactly. I want to get married to her. I need to work hard. I need to work harder and get married to her. I love Amara so much. I can't lose her. Amara. You see, Amara, I must marry Amara.
Not to worry. Not to worry, my dear brother. God will supply your needs. Go.
Amen.
He will supply your needs. He will do something. You must marry that girl. God will answer your prayers and supply you with all your needs, okay?
Amen. Thank you so much, sister. I'll keep working hard. I'll keep working hard till I save enough money to marry Amara. You see Amara, in this village, I must marry Amara.
I don't even want to lose her as a sister-in-law.
Okay.
She's such a nice girl.
It's okay.
Go.
Sister, let me go and prepare so I will go to market. Okay?
Okay.
Don't worry yourself, yeah? I'm fine. I'll be fine. Alright?
Okay.
Call me. Let me prepare.
God, where are you? Chinebekino. Life is so harsh on me, oh. So painful, so painful. She won't win in oh God, where are you? Ebekino Chukwu. Life is harsh on me, oh.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Hello.
That's Mr. Eric.
Hi.
Eh?
Hi. We meet again.
So nice to see you, Mr. Eric.
Oh, you remember my name? That's very brilliant of you. How are you there?
We meet again, sir.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Great,
I'm
great.
very well. I thought I would never hear from you again.
Well, after fixing my car the other day, I had to quickly rush to the city to pick up a few work materials, you know?
Oh.
Yes. How are you?
You live in the city.
Oh, yes. I live in the city. I just come here to work.
Mr. Eric.
Yes.
My sister can't stop talking about you.
Oh.
Your voice rings in her head.
Oh, really? Oh, that's enough. Okay. Don't go violent on him right now. So, where you guys headed?
To the market to actually buy some foodstuffs.
Oh, okay, great. I just closed from work, so I'm actually going to, have a few drinks. You guys want to join me or something? Oh, I can take you to the market.
No. That can wait. Take us with you.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's great. Just come. I'll just get the door.
Love is so strong. Just imagine the ways of love.
Yeah. Just careful.
Imagine the steps of love.
Yeah.
You sit gradually.
Onye makwanu ka o si ebido na ka o si eje ihe mma bụ na love is strong. Akwa okwu love ka a na-ekwu oh ije love akụkọ love ka a na-akọ oh ije love ihe dị na love esika oh ije love imani ije love no dị ogbu oh ije love sometimes love is sweet. Sometimes love is painful.
You like it, eh? I know you like it, that's why I brought you here. Amadi pepper soup is the best pepper soup so far.
You can say that again.
You can say that.
Amadi number one. Enjoy.
Enjoy yourself.
Okay. Oh, wait, you have to drink your palm wine. Don't worry, I'll give you later.
Hey, maybe la hot. Enjoy. I have the money. Amadi,
Yes.
don't worry, I'll call you back.
Okay. You still need more.
I'll call you later.
Don't finish it.
We are together now.
But don't finish it. Don't touch the meat yet.
Let me
All right.
Yeah. That's my money.
I know it's your money,
It's
but
my
now it's our money. Okay?
Hello.
No.
Hi. You're welcome.
How are you?
Welcome, sir.
Yes.
Welcome.
How have you been?
Very fine. Long time.
Yeah, I traveled. I just got here. So I had closed from work. I was coming here to have a few drinks, and I saw them on my way here, so I decided to come with them to, also take some palm oil. Right.
You did well, you did well.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Just have a seat.
No problem. Thank you.
Juka,
Okay,
how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
You will continue to be well in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Oh, let me get.
Yeah, as usual, my usual.
Oh, okay.
Great. So, you alright?
Yes, I am.
Beautiful weather, right?
Really? Is it dark already?
It's 4 p.m. actually.
Oh. What's the color of the weather?
I would say hue, but I'm not sure. I know it's a beautiful weather. Great.
I've missed your soft-spoken voice. I'm longing to get your voice again. Did you think of me?
Yeah, I did. I thought about you a lot of times, and I was a bit worried. I don't know why. I was a bit, concerned about you and your safety. Yeah.
Ojuka,
Sir.
I heard that idiot Longinus sent some people the other time to kidnap you.
Kidnap?
Yes.
Yes, he did. But my brother saved the day.
I don't know what is wrong with that boy. Eh? Why is it that boy does not want to help himself and his family? The day he will enter my trap, what I will do to him, I can even kill him. Idiot.
Who is Longinus, and why does Mr. Amadi want to kill him? Like I said, I'll ensure you're protected from any evil. Okay? I'll ensure nothing bad happens to you. No harm will come on you, I promise you that.
Thank you, sir. You see, all my life I've been praying to have a guardian angel, and here you are, protecting me already.
As well.
Longinus is the only problem I have in this village. He's sworn to torment me, even in my world of darkness.
That won't happen again. I'm in talks with the police, and they're doing everything in their power to ensure that it never happens again.
Police? Hey. Even the king is afraid of Longinus in this village. Oh. He slept in almost all the cells in this village.
It's okay. Let me handle that, okay? Alright?
Okay, sir.
I gave your brother some money to buy some food stuff.
Hey. Again? Again?
Yeah.
Hey. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take good care of yourself. I'll be in touch from time to time, okay?
Okay, sir. My brother told me about your big, beautiful car.
Where is he? Where's Gona?
He's coming. He went to get something.
Wait. So you know Sano be your mate normally? That means you can only joke with your mates and not me.
But when we're meeting guy, we're gonna change.
Oga, I saw her in a man's car with her brother. You know, like, I don't understand. How can I go come the light give you now?
It seems to be an atom of truth in what you just said.
Oga, I don't mark off work.
But how kwana? Like how kwana? Which the person of Jokwale say, he no ask questions.
Oga, the one who even fear me be say the man doesn't look like someone from this village. What can see where door and the guy is fresh. You know what I'm saying? Fucking fresh.
Guy, go help me find out who be that. Yes. But self, me, I know still believe your story, you understand? But what, just they find out who that person be. Make I know who be that we want to act. Yota, eh? But meanwhile, help me with this clothes, eh? Make I check.
You say?
Every mama hook up.
You say?
Make I feel collect my money back.
Make I help you wash clothes. No, now why you go come tell me say make I wash clothes for you now? You carry woman inside, tell her make she come wash this clothes. They tell me say me grown up guy, I wash clothes for you. You know make sense now? Na for the hand though. Na for the hand, the album. Na for the hand. Tell her make she come wash this clothes.
Wait, hook up girl, no they wash clothes. They know they sweep house. Now wake up, collect your money. Salma.
Lonji, emere gị eme. Onye obi ọjọọ, emere gị eme. Sọsọ arụra nna juru ya obi, emere gị eme. Echiche ya niile bụ ihe ọjọọ, emere gị eme. Ngwa nekenunu ka o si ya gị ije.
The beast visits again with his awful stench that follows him wherever he goes. Quit hiding, for I know it is you, Longinus. Why can't you leave me alone? Why?
You too. Why can't you give me what I've been asking for? Or if you're John, if you give it to me, will you die? Huh? What is all this now? I mean, what is wrong with you?
Blindness. Blindness is wrong with me. Is that not enough suffering for you to let me be? Longi?
You've not despised me this much since I know you. Is it because of the new man? Eh?
What are you talking about?
Oh, you think I don't know? My intels are everywhere. They have played me the latest gist. They told me about one fair man that is doing everything he can. He's doing everything he could do to take what is mine.
And if I may ask, what is rightfully yours?
You are mine. Ujuka, you be my own. Nobody can thwart that fact.
Over my dead
Now you,
over my dead body, Longinus.
See, let me tell you, I'm not even here to banter words with you. I am here to officially get you pregnant. So that when that Aturocha comes back here, he will know that you're already after one. Did you hear me?
Over my dead body, Longi. Over my dead body. That can never happen.
Over your dead
Over
body.
my dead body. Over my dead body.
If I don't have you, nobody will have you.
Never.
Nobody will. In fact,
Never.
I'm here. Did he hurt you? Huh? Did he hurt you? Did he hurt you?
He did not hurt me.
Longi, emereki eme. Onyo biojo, emereki eme. Sosarura na juru nobi, emereki eme. Echiche ya niile bụ ihe ọjọọ, emereki eme. Nwaneke nuko si ya gị ije, emereki eme. Emereki eme o, emereki eme. Lọja singi kpachara anya gị, emereki eme.
Oh God, where are you? Chim ebekino. Life is so harsh on me, oh, so painful, so painful. She won't win in a
Nah, wow. One person collect all this beating. Just one person. I'm sorry now. You know, I just imagine just one person. I'm sorry. It just an obi had from mama. I'm sorry.
You needed to have been there. You needed to have been there to see the kind of beating I gave to that guy. Do you know that was a blow he wanted to send direct to my face? I dodged it. On coming up, Moe uppercut.
So you even beat him at all?
Now, for you, by now, that guy should be in the hospital, or if what I did to him didn't affect him very well, chemist.
Confirm! Well, come on,
you say, enough, Ebulumago. All this nalaka, Ebulumago. See, if you don't have anything very meaningful to say here, just start going now,
Okay, don't worry. Sorry, please, let me be going. I left something on the front.
If you step out an inch here now, Mugu. All you know in this your life is to smoke weed and
Okay now.
And Jones.
My man, it's okay now. This one where you come there parallel, it's okay. So, what's up? How do we deal with that idiot that did this to you?
No be waiting I dey expect you to talk since. You come there, Patayan.
I'm sorry now.
What's up with you now?
Sorry now, Baba. I'm sorry.
I beg, where Carlo dey? See, this thing way too often they do no go well. Sometimes if they be me like say, when I don't deviate from the mission. What's up? Now when I dey plan on revenge, both of you suppose dey my side. Wetin come make una be my men now? Kenny Mezi.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Baba, I'm sorry now. Sorry, forgive us, okay? No verse, I beg, make I go see Carlo now. I will come see you later.
Better. Alright, see you later. They well,
yeah, sure. Longi, emereki eme. Onyo biojo, emereki eme. sọsa arụra nna juru ya obi emere gị eme echiche ya niile bụ ihe ọjọọ emere gị eme.
You saved my life yet again.
Ojuka, I promised not to let any harm come on you. I'm here to protect you. And I promise you, that fool will face the full weight of the law. Okay?
I can't wait for him to leave this village. I've had a fair share of his torments.
I understand how you feel. But trust me, he's going to feel the rot this time. I'll make him go to jail for a very, very long time. I promise you that. Where's your brother?
He's gone to the farm.
I told him to never leave you. How much do I have to give him to always stay with you and take care of you?
Mr. Eric, you have done more than enough for my brother and I. Can we ever repay you?
Ojuka, just call me Eric, okay? And the only way you can pay me back is to stay safe. Because I care about you. I don't want anything to happen to you. Okay?
You are my guardian angel. The one my Chi has sent to comfort me. I cherish the day we met. Though I may have existed for too long in my world of darkness, but I felt the heavens open and blessed the clement weather on that fateful day. Meeting you was divine, Eric. And my instincts have never failed me, not even for once.
I feel the same way. I'm sorry, I have to take this call. Hello? Yeah. Okay. How many bags of cement? Okay, I'll be with you shortly. Just wait. Alright. Juka. I'm sorry, I have to go back to work. I have a lot to take care of. I promise to come back soon, okay?
Please don't keep me waiting.
I won't keep you waiting. And please, when you get inside the house, kindly lock the door, okay? Do I have to help you inside?
No, this is my house.
Are you sure? Are you sure I shouldn't help you into the house?
This is my house, I know everywhere.
You can find your way?
Yeah, of course I can.
Alright, I'll see you shortly. Okay? Stay safe. Alright, take care.
Akwa n'akụkọ love ka anyị na-akọ. Oh, ije love ka anyị na-ekwu. Oh, ije love. True love never.
Angie, I'm really worried about my fate with Eric.
I just don't understand him anymore. I don't understand. What do you mean?
Do you know, it's been more than 3 weeks now since we last spoke on the phone.
Okay. I thought you said he traveled to one remote village for a house project.
That's true. But we were communicating the first few days he traveled, and all of a sudden, he stopped calling me.
Okay, so why don't you call him instead if he doesn't call you?
Really? You think I have not been doing that? Oh my goodness. I have been calling Eric back to back, but he has not been picking my calls. Angie, I'm so scared. I don't want to lose him.
Look, Tina, you're just scared for nothing. I think you should give him space for him to do his job. You never can tell what he's passing through in that village.
But at least he should call me.
call me and check on me. Is that too much to ask for? Wait, by the way, are you now living in his house? No. Okay. I only went there for the weekend, thinking maybe he would just, breeze in and spend the weekend with me. But no avail. I'm just tired. I will leave there first thing in the morning. You know what, Tina? You should be positive about your relationship with Eric. You never can tell what that guy is going through in that village. Just be patient, eh? And you know he loves you. I don't know why you have to be positive. I'm positive about it, okay? But you should call me now. He will. Just give him time, okay? Okay, this is fun. Alright.
I'm good.
Come here.
Oh, so good to see you.
How are you?
I'm good. And
It's been a long time. You look good.
thank you. And how you doing?
Well, I've been there. And you?
Well, I'm there. I'm just trying to recover.
Remy, don't tell me you are still grieving over the death of Linda. Come on. You don't have to.
Tina, you know it's not easy. Okay? I loved her so much.
I know. Listen, I understand you perfectly. But you need to stop all this. You need to get your life back. You need to love and be loved again. I mean, you need to be happy.
Thank you.
Please, stop doing this to yourself.
I'll
Okay?
try, okay? I'll
You
try.
just have to.
I'll try.
You have to. I've been worried about Eric.
Why?
Gona,
Madi.
do you think that that man is interested in your sister?
Well, he has not said anything to her yet, but it's written all over his face. It's obvious.
Well, I wish her well, always.
Why do I feel it's not coming from your heart? Why?
Gona, I have always had feelings for your sister. Just that
Just that what? You couldn't tell her how you feel about her?
I didn't know how to tell her. I was scared she might think I want to take advantage of her, so I was scared.
But Amadi, you're scared of nothing.
The truth is that I have come to take you and your sister's family. So telling her about me being interested in her will feel like betrayal.
Betrayal?
Yes.
Brother Amadi, my sister likes you so much.
You think so?
She talks about you all the time and she trusts you. That would have made it easier for you.
So, do you think I still stand a chance?
Well, right now I don't think so. Because she's been talking to the engineer and I think it's late and you lost that chances. I'm sorry.
No problem. No problem. Like I always say, I wish But you and your sister, nothing but the best. The very best.
Thank you so much.
Ugonna, thank God I met you here. I heard your sister screaming not long ago.
Eh?
Your
My sister?
Sorry.
Sis, I can't believe that bastard I saw on my way to the farm was actually coming here to see you. Why did I kept on going? I should have returned home.
It is not your fault.
Sis, it's my fault. It's my fault. If I had your instinct, I should have sensed danger and returned immediately. Now Mr. Eric would be angry with me that I left you home alone.
No. He's not mad at you at all because I told him it is my fault. If I had gone inside like instructed, all these things wouldn't have happened. But I'm lucky that Mr. Eric came to my rescue. Otherwise, hey, Lonji would have raped me today. It's open.
Sister, I'm going to his place. I'm going to his house.
Biko, Ugo, one name, sit. Biko, sit. I forbid you from going there. Mr. Eric has promised that he's going to handle Longinus for us. Biko, please.
I've heard you, but hope he didn't hurt you.
He did not hurt me. I told you Mr. Eric came to my rescue on time. Besides, Mr. Eric got a call, but he said he will soon be back.
Longinus!
You and your brother were right. The police department in charge of this part of town are tired of his notorious behavior. And they're looking for ways to put him down finally. But I intend to assist them. I intend to speak to a few friends of mine in the city to help. You don't have anything to worry about, okay?
God created you on a Sunday morning.
Why did you say that?
Because that was when he created everything beautiful. which includes you. You're such a good human. You have a beautiful heart and soul.
Thanks for the compliments. However, I think I find you very interesting. You sound very intelligent. Yeah, I mean, you're beautiful too. Extremely beautiful. So I should say, God created you on a Sunday morning.
Thank you, Mr. Eric. You are such a nice man. Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me, how did you go blind?
It is a long story.
Well, I like long stories.
Okay, if you insist. So here it is. Once upon a time, there was a little girl who was fond of playing with sticks. She accidentally punctured one of her eyes, and due to lack of medical attention, she lost her sight. That was what happened.
And I suppose the little girl is you?
Of course. Yes, it is me, sitting right here with you.
I'm really sorry to hear this. Okay?
Oh, it is okay. It is fine. I mean, it happened a long time ago. I'm used to it now. I'm used to living in the world of darkness. Sorry about it. I'm used to it. How do I look?
Oh my God. Sis, you look... you're so beautiful. And the dress looks awesome on you.
Thank you. I hope you are not exaggerating.
No, he's not. You actually look gorgeous in that dress. And sometimes I ask myself, why should a girl as beautiful as you are walk around blind? I have lots of questions to ask God.
In other words, the dress fits, right?
You look absolutely beautiful. Right.
Thank you.
I think I should take you on a date. What do you think? Are you going to let me do that?
As long as you're going to take care of her.
Of course, I am going to take care of her.
Ugo, please help me pack the other clothes he bought into my bag. When I come back, I will try them on.
Alright.
Now, here you go. Yes, some money. This should be enough to buy you.
Hey! Oh, give me all this money for me.
Thank you so much.
No, it's okay. Get up. Shall we?
I'm ready.
Right. That reminds me. I think it is time for me to see your uncles. What do you think?
You ready for that?
Absolutely. I am ready. Juka, what do you think? Are you ready for that?
I'm ready.
Right. Alright, let's go.
Thank you so much for the shoes and the clothes. God bless you so much.
You're welcome.